Good morning, students. So today we have to study what? So we have to study the science of information of planets. So let's study this. अब आपको अपना जो मोबाइल है आप वो अपना मोबाइल रोटेट कर लीजिए. So here is it. As you can see, here is it. And wait. So as you can see here. So first we have to study about the sun. So see, here is the sun. So sun is here, and as you can see, the sun, which is at the center of the solar system, is a yellow colored star. Its surface temperature is around 6000 degrees Celsius. And imagine that जब 31 डिग्री होता है तभी हमारी हालत जो है वो ख़राब होने लगती है. बट द सन्स टेम्परेचर वॉज 6000 डिग्री सेल्सियस. सो इमेजिन हाउ hot is the sun. Now the size of the sun is so huge that around 13 lakh planets of the size of the earth can be easily placed within it. Due to the gravitational force of the sun, the celestial bodies in the solar system revolve around it. The diameter of the sun is approximately 13,92,000 kilometers. Imagine that how diameter of the sun is 13,92,000 kilometers, and the sun rotates around its axis, and while doing so it revolves around the center of the Milky Way, taking the solar system along with it. So now we have to study about the Mercury. So wait. So let's study the Mercury. Here is the Mercury. As you can see here, this brown color thing. Mercury is closest to the sun. As you can see, it is visible in the morning and the evening if it is away from the sun. A number of depressions which look like volcanic craters but are actually caused by meteoric falls can be seen on the surface of Mercury. Mercury is the fastest moving planet. So this is the Mercury. Here, as you can see, wait. Here, wait. Here is the Mercury. Here is the Mercury. So now, the information of Earth we have to do. So where is? So here is our Earth. As you can see, here is our Earth, and that the white thing is the moon, which revolves around the earth, and it is the third planet of the solar system. No other planet other than the earth has life on it. As the earth is a magnet, there is a magnetic field around the earth, and it diverts the harmful rays from the sun towards the polar regions of the earth. So now it is the night and now it is the morning. As you can see, the earth, see, now it is morning. Now it is like, wait, what happened here? Wait, students. So there is some problem of the app, so let's continue the information. Now we have to take the information of the Jupiter. So Jupiter, this is the Jupiter is the, as you can see here, the Jupiter is the largest planet of the solar system. It is so huge that as many as 1397 planets of the size of the Earth can get accommodated in it. Even though the planet is so huge, it revolves around itself with a great speed as huge storms occur frequently on it, and they wait and it is also called the stormy planet. What stormy planet? Okay. Now we have to take the information of Uranus. Where is the Uranus? Yes. Where is the Uranus? So Uranus is here. As you can see here, the Uranus is here. This thing. See this thing. This is the Uranus. This is the Uranus. As you can see here. And it is the seventh planet in the solar system. It cannot be seen without a telescope. Its axis is so greatly inclined that it appears as if it is rolling along on its orbit. Now we have to study the Venus. About the Venus, let's study the Venus. Where is it? Is here the Venus is here, and it is the brightest planet in the solar system, and it is seen in the sky in the east before the sunrise and in the west after the sunset. It rotates around itself from east to west, and from east to west, and it is said that the uh, Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system. So now we have to study about the Mars. Here is the Mars, and here is our Mars. So let's see. It is the fourth planet in the solar system. As the soil on Mars contains iron, its color is reddish, and hence Mars is also called the red planet. And the highest and longest mountain in the solar system, Olympus Mons, is located on Mars. Okay, and now we have to study about the Saturn. Where is the Saturn? Here is it. So here is the Saturn. As you can see, the Saturn is the sixth planet of the solar system and next only to Jupiter in size, and it is considered to be a peculiar planet because of the rings around it. Though its mass is 95 times that of the Earth, its density is very low. If it were dropped into a sea large enough to hold it, it would actually float in it. एक तरह से बोलूँ तो जो सैटर्न है वो एक तरह से खोखला रहता है. कोई भी चीज़ खोखली चीज़ डाल दो तो वो फ्लोट होने लगती है, और that thing is float on the water, and like that only the Saturn is also empty in itself, so it would actually float in the water. So and here the uh, and next only to Jupiter in size, and the size of the Jupiter is 1397 planets of the size of the Earth can be fit in it. So you can take the idea what what is the size of the Jupiter and the Saturn. What is the size of the Jupiter and the Saturn? And now we have to study the Neptune. It is the eighth planet. Wait, where's the Neptune? Here is the Neptune. Here. Neptune. So here is the Neptune, the that blue thing. It is the eighth planet of in the solar system. A season on Neptune lasts for about 41 years. On this planet, winds blow with extremely high speed. So as a result, that the Neptune is a very coldest planet, and the uh, see in our Earth, the in our India, the one season is last long for 4 months. Summer season is for 4 months. Winter season is for 4 months, and like that only the monsoon is also for 4 months. But in the planet of the Neptune, the one season remains for 41 years, and the winds blow extremely high speed. So it is the coldest planet of the solar system. And now we have to study the dwarf planet. So what is the dwarf planet? Dwarf planet, now a small sized celestial body that revolves independently around the sun, is called a dwarf planet. A celestial body like Pluto can be classified as a dwarf planet. Pluto takes around 248 years to complete its revolution around the sun, whereas it takes around 6 days and 6.38 days for one rotation. So students, today we learned about the planets of Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and the dwarf planet. So I hope you understood what I said and what I explained you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give a big thumbs up to watch this videos. And bye bye students. God bless you all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to my channel. God bless you.